Morning. Down at the bottom of East Side, just going to do the Milton of Campsie walk. So I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can see what's happening. So a wee bit tight for you to come through, as you can see, and then we've got a bit of an incline going up the hill. So this is the hill that's going to take us up to the back of McDonald's. And then I'll switch it on once we get a wee bit further up and let you see what's happening there. So after the hill, as you can see, it's nice and flat along here. A few tree stumps in the pavement, so probably be a wee bit difficult, maybe trying to get your wheelchair over that. I'm wondering if it might be better for people to drive down and park down at the riverside, down the east side, because there's another walkway here which doesn't have as many tree stumps, but it then takes you back up to the canal path, which might be a little bit easier for people to manoeuvre. The only thing would possibly be if it was raining, it would maybe get a little bit mucky about here. This is us still heading over the Milton of Campsie, probably just before Birdstone now. Walkway is nice and clear, not really any tree stumps. Obviously the old railway bridge. Excuse these ladies talking. Which you can come down and see a wee bit of the bun. I've reached Milton of Campsie. This would have been the old Milton of Campsie railway line, so they've been doing a lot of work here, as you can see. Beautiful. They've laid it all out, chipped it all, put some seats in, cleared it all. And then the pest resistance they've got. Making a wee snake. Please add your painted stones. Please don't move any or take away. Let's see how many we can make. And you can see that people have been really busy. A bit like Kirkintilloch 45, which they paint the stones and they hide them for the kids. So this is just fabulous. Lots of really arty things going on. Quite nice, obviously over the lockdown it's got bigger and bigger. Need to get a Ceartas stone, paint it. I think Sharon's got some fabulous pens that we could maybe borrow and make some Ceartas stones. Put them on the next time we come through. Oh, Spiderman. Milton of Campsie rocks. Lots of rainbows. Oh, I see one. Hey, fabulous. Oh, wee glittery one. Looks like a glitter. Oh, Fortnite for the boys. NHS. Oh, Annabelle May. Somebody's name, NHS, some names on them.
Remember Kenny's brother was over for a stag do and they were in Las Vegas.
Ladybirds. Oh, another wee bird. They're absolutely fabulous. Very talented people, as you can see. Whales. Oh yes, I think there's certainly been some Ceartas stones here. RW, I'm hoping that's not Ronnie Whiteside that's been here. Oh, Daniel, Jasper, lots of love. NHS. Nearly at the end, guys. Right, superb. Now you can see all the clearing's all been done. Nice new sign. Excuse Angela and Diane.
Excuse us?
Nice new sign. Steps, a couple of seats. And there is a walkway down that you can actually push down if you want to come, which will take in a couple of minutes.